The Hoover Commercial & Power 40-volt cordless backpack requires minimal assembly before its first use. Align the button on the lower wand with the hole on the upper wand and insert it until it clicks. Then firmly push the hose over the other end of the upper wand past the raised ring. Insert the opposite end into the vacuum. Attach a floor tool by loosening the cuff on the lower wand. Fully insert the tool and retighten the cuff. To adjust the upper harness, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the adjustment boss. Adjust the height and reinsert the screw. This backpack is powered by the new MPWR 40-volt battery. It comes 25% charged, so be sure to fully charge it before the first use. Slide the battery into the charger until it clicks into place and the LED status indicator is lit. If the indicator light is orange, the battery is too hot or too cold to charge. It will begin charging once it reaches the proper temperature. Please contact us if the light is ever flashing red and green, in case there's an error with the battery. The light will flash green while the battery is charging, and will turn solid green when it's fully charged. To remove, press the release button and slide out the battery. Then slide the battery into the vacuum until it locks into place. To get started using your MPWR 40-volt backpack, first put on the shoulder straps. Then tighten the waist strap until it's secure and comfortable. Pull down on the straps until the harness touches the shoulder blades. You should be able to slide your fingers between the straps and your shoulders. Connect the sternum strap buckle and tighten or loosen as needed. Then slide the strap up or down so it's comfortable. Flip the switch away from you for normal cleaning or flip it towards you for high power mode. When you're done, set the power switch to the off position.